This is art. This is beauty. This is the Nina effect. Come with me to do a custom art jean order. I am super excited about these, y'all. But first, wine, because we need the vibes going, y'all. You already know, baby. So let's grab these jeans and let's get to painting. All you're gonna need is acrylic paint in textile medium. I got mines from Tulip. Also, you're gonna need something to mix everything with. Here I'll be using a cup, but you can also use your art palette, which I'll be doing later on in the video. Now we mix. Make sure that's all mixed perfectly. We grab our favorite brush and then we get to paint. Also, I forgot to mention, put a bag in your jeans, y'all, because you don't want the paint to seep through and fuck shit up. I feel like I'm in this place right now where I'm not who I used to be, but I know I'm becoming something. And sometimes, you know, life gets in the way of creating and you feel stuck, but you're not really stuck. You're actually evolving. And that art block, that shit is the glow up. So I get it. We all have to work. We gotta pay our bills. But that's exactly what's building you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to come back for part 2. And don't forget to check out the barcode to shop my art and merch. Take care. Bye.